guys, Trisha here, and I just want to show you how you can use a 36 by 36 inch wild rag to make a face mask to keep yourself and your family safe. So I'm using my favorite one here. It's the cream and checkered. It's a great unisex print. Men and women alike love it. It's my favorite. Start by folding it into a triangle. You're going to put that triangle on the bridge of your nose. Then I'm going to show you here. Just take that and you're going to form one knot here. And that will secure that against the bridge of your nose, so keep it tight. Got to fix your hair, of course. Then come down here and you can tie a square knot, and this will stay all day. This will keep you safe. You can wear it when you go grocery shopping, when you're at the post office, running whatever essential errands you have to run. You need to stay safe and take care of your family, and this is an easy way. If you already have a wild rag, that's great. Comment below and make sure that you're doing it right. If not, we'll get you hooked up with one. Follow Whippin' Wild Rags or visit us at whippinwildrags.com, and we'll see you around. Thank you and God bless. Stay safe, everyone.